Probably all of you have seen about corridor crews, Spider-Man, Superman and GoPro. Today I will be teaching you all how to do that. Okay, first off, let's switch cameras. 3, 2, 1, go. How to do this is pretty simple. First off, just imagine you're flying like this. Okay, hold up. Let me change the position of the camera so it's stable. No false. 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Just add your hand like this and just imagine you're flying like this. Then you want to swing a camera like how you did in your hand in the video before. Then you want to stop because the video is exported. Let's just watch it right now. 3, 2, 1, and go. Hand like this. You want to swing a camera. Imagine you're flying like this. Like how you did in your hand in the video before. Then you want to stop. You have seen it. It's pretty cool. Next time, on the next video, I will do Spider-Man one. Okay, a Spider-Man or an Iron Man. Okay, see you guys later, and remember, this is just a tutorial. Okay, the real tutorial for high quality is on Corridor Crew. Just subscribe to them right below. It's the link. There's their channel, their crew channel, and their original channel. And yeah, that's it for this video. Goodbye.